Tired of overpriced groceries and disconnected communities? Think of the potential. Imagine a place where neighbors gather to grow, share, and connect. A community garden transforms empty spaces into vibrant food oases. This is more than just planting food, providing healthy, organic produce for everyone. It's about building resilience and improving access to fresh produce, and creating lasting community bonds. It's also a living classroom for all ages. Look for a sunny, accessible location near a water source. Involve your community early, it builds ownership and excitement. Organize meetings and gather volunteers. Plan with everyone in mind. Add raised beds for accessibility, fruit trees, herb zones, and beautiful paths for gathering. Incorporate sustainable practices like composting. Use strong, safe materials. Build paths, fences, and compost systems. Keep it simple, many hands make light work. Establish simple rules for shared upkeep. Choose crops that grow well in your climate, like tomatoes, lettuce, beans, and herbs. Assign teams to water, weed, and care for the garden together. And learn to overcome challenges together. Your garden can be the heart of your neighborhood. Start small, grow together, and make your space bloom. With food and friendship. Celebrate your harvests and friendships.